Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you're looking for the ultimate portable TV tray, then you have to check out this TableMate 2 Plus TV tray. Now, this is more than just a TV tray. It is so convenient for everyone in the family. Of course, it's perfect for eating on. It slides up so nicely next to the couch, but it's also extremely convenient to either work from or write on, or even, as my son likes to, draw on as well. What's really nice about this tray is it adjusts height-wise, and it also adjusts at which angle you can have it at too. So there's 3 different notches underneath, and you can either adjust it upwards, downwards, or that middle notch is the perfect flat surface. What also drew us to this specific tray is it's foldable too. So it's really nice to be able to fold it all the way down, to be completely flat, to be able to store it. It doesn't have to be upright all the time. I also really appreciated that it slides underneath furniture really well. The only thing that would really hinder it from sliding underneath a couch is the couch itself. So ours has a frame underneath it, so it slides all the way back to that frame, even with a really low profile couch. It was really easy to put together too, no tools needed, and it was ready to be used within less than 2 minutes. So if you're looking for a nice sturdy TV tray, I would definitely recommend this one, but that's just our point of view.